Hello guys, I'm Sarika and welcome to your Knowledge Buddy. And if you're visiting our channel for the first time, I make videos to help you in your career. So today I'll be covering about the new health and care worker visa and discussing in details on the eligibility criteria, knowledge of English, how long you can stay, and if you want to stay longer in the UK, how to apply visa and how long it takes and getting a decision, how much it costs, what documents are needed, and also what you can and cannot do on this visa. So let's get started with the first topic about eligibility criteria. To qualify for a healthcare worker visa, you must be a qualified doctor, nurse, health professional, or adult social care professional. Second, work in an eligible health or social care job. Third, work for a UK employer that's been approved by the Home Office. 4. You must have a certificate of sponsorship from your employer with information about the role you have been offered in the UK. Number 5. You must be paid a minimum salary. How much depends on the type of work you do. You'll usually need to be paid at least £20,480 per year unless the going rate for your job is higher than this. If you want to check if your job is eligible or not, you can follow this link. Also, if you already know the 4-digit code, you can check yourself on the ONS occupation coding tool. The links again in the description. Your job must be in one of the following occupation codes to qualify for the health and care worker visa. To see the full list of sponsors, you can visit the government site. Now, moving to the next one, knowledge of English. You must prove you can read, write, speak, and understand English to at least level B1 on the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, which is CEFR. Also, you can prove your knowledge of English by passing a secure English language test, which is SELT, from an approved provider like IELTS. Now the next is you must have a degree level academic qualification that was taught in English. If you studied outside UK, you'll need to apply for confirmation through UK NARIC that your qualification is equivalent to a UK bachelor's degree, master's degree, or a PhD. Now the third topic is how long you can stay. Your visa can last for up to 5 years before you need to extend it. You'll need to apply to extend or update your visa when it expires, or if you change jobs or employer. If you want to settle in the UK, you'll have to apply for ILR, which is indefinite leave to remain, after you have spent 5 years on this visa with no gap more than 180 days outside the country, with few exceptions like medical reasons or others. Now the next question, how to apply. How you apply depends on few scenarios. Scenario 1, if you are outside the UK and are coming to the UK. Scenario 2, if you are in the UK and extending your current visa. Scenario 3, if you are in the UK and switching from a different visa. Scenario 4, if you want to change your job or employer. Also, you can include your partner and children in your application as dependent visa to stay in the UK if they are eligible for that. Again, all the links will be provided in the description. Now the next question, how long it takes and getting a decision on your visa. You can apply for a visa up to 3 months before the day you are due to start work in the UK. This date is listed on your certificate of sponsorship. Regarding getting a decision, once you have applied online, you'll usually get a decision on your visa within 3 weeks. If you need to go to an appointment, you may be able to pay for a faster decision. Now, moving to next one, how much does it cost? You, your partner, or children will each of you need to pay the application fee and prove you have enough personal savings. For application fees, the standard application fee depends on whether you're applying for 3 or more than 3 years. Now, how much money is needed in your bank account? You will usually need to have at least £1,270 available unless you are exempt. You will be told how much you need to pay when you apply online. You will need to have this money available for at least 28 days in a row in your bank account. And if you're applying for dependent visa for your partner or your child, you will also have to show money in your bank account for them. For your partner, you need to pay £285, and for one child you will need to pay £315 and £200 for each additional child. Let's take an example where you are applying for visa for yourself, your partner and one child. You will need £1,270 for yourself, $285 for your partner and $315 for one child. So in total you need to show £1,870 in your bank account. So you don't need to pay this amount, but just show in your bank account. Now, healthcare surcharge. You and your partner or your children will not have to pay for the healthcare charge, as it's free for the medical staff. Now, moving to the next one. What documents are needed? When you apply, you will need to provide your certificate of sponsorship reference number. Your employer will give you this. Second, proof of your knowledge of English. Third, a valid passport or other documents that shows your identity and nationality. 4, your job title and annual salary. 5, your job occupation code. 6, the name of your employer and their sponsor license number. This will be on your certificate of sponsorship. Also, other documents you might need are like proof of maintenance funds, like your bank statement showing money in your account, your marriage certificate if you're applying for dependent visa, and also a criminal record certificate if you are working in certain jobs, and tuberculosis test certificates for few countries. Now, let's understand what you cannot do on this visa. You cannot apply for most benefits like public funds or the state pension, and you cannot change jobs unless you get new employer with new job offer and COS. The information that I have shared with you today is from the UK government website, and if you want to read more in detail, you can read via link on the below. So this brings me to the end of this video. So if my video helped you today, please consider liking and subscribing, and I promise to work more harder in the future to get your attention. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and I'll see you soon with the next one. Keep learning.